What's up? You checking out the frequent flyer, and this is a Lian Sheng model that copied off the free loop. It does not have a camera. It does have a little hole there where a camera is able to be fitted, I guess. And I was thinking that I was going to add a camera to this, but then I figured what's the use, because this is an inverted flyer. I was thinking about adding a camera to this one. It seems like all of Lian Sheng's models that were inverted flyers had this little option here. There was a little piece of plastic in there, but I popped it out because my plans were to add a actual pinhole camera in here. So we're going to take off with it from over here. Okay, see what it do. So we're upside down now. Let's get back on the right side. Oh. Forgot to switch it back. Sheesh, and this cold weather did a number on us already. We're stuck upside down, guys. And we're flying backwards at that. So let's try to get it back over. We're on the right side now. Pretty cool that you can do that. A gift and a curse. The yaw rate is kind of slow on her. She feel like she's getting a little weak. So, not a very long flight with her. With this cold weather out here. Let's have a look at her before we bring her in. Okay, so the Lian Sheng 216 little inverted flyer. Thanks for watching.